And today I will talk about Pata Sedikan, the incident that happened. And I will also talk about lawyer Ousainou Darboe's mistress who live in Seattle. I will also talk about her, and I will also talk about lawyer Ousainou Darboe. I will also address the Seattle Gambia Association in Seattle here. I will also talk about them today on my show. And I will also talk about the so-called CEO of Gambia Talent. He's an asshole. He's an asshole, and I will also today talk about him. And then one Demba Balde, I think he's calling himself as a journalist. I will also talk to them. So today, please, I beg you, I'm going to speak in my local language, which is Mandinka, okay, and Wolof. Today, I will definitely talk Wolof because Mistress Lawyer that will be all of Ladiga. So tay now I say all of Buba. Why left up on the Purmol and Illa Monia Hakilula. Alcana Moni Sondomola. Aliamoleko Ntenim Pata. Sedikan, we have issues. Atonyalo, we have issues. Bari, kumakamo muyalong afintita ababanta jana. Aliso domandi nga start ni let me just pull out all my opposition party muyalong ko iba violent takang ka celebrate. Mbadungol mamira akoita purungan na bankota ngadi an opposition patiola munialong they are promoting violence. Among kay purungan na bankota ngadi wala. Because ngadi la nyuwato be ko UDP ko ba celebrate kaneko babaja patase di kan le bouté. Ndemo moy patase di kan la. Ngadi fanang so-called Gambia Talent wo wulu kaw mumba siatu jam. Nafika butu keso mumba siyatu jang ikafa pa Ousmane Diouf ala fa ndeko na manke nafika butu kese dimoti ay fatante ba andum fanan jang mba regle ko montoro mbulo mama si mama yalla nde seri chapatele UDP ndele ka dum ila skin ko nga UDP regle mbulu me ma simbe ma nyakale ndi munela ndakalo to nya butu keso ndeka mo kele ndi wala wala lefta pour aliyalla mo ne hakilo la nendro bi moma nendro ka am gondo blog ku fi sagate dama la da buguma ken saga fite man Serigne Tapatol I am in control ngeen tok rek ngeen amé sen popcorn yi jël leen sen popcorn yi ngeen jël ngeen start di lek ngeen meew ma tojal leen yax yi waaw ala la popcorn ol tarek exactly maya mbare muso baroba na thank you so much yajel so let us be ADC ali relax okay then pour alien so then ngani kuolta nga I have no idea where do I get this post. Yeah, I got the post on here. Nga WhatsApp je muya along ko Natali Bolia screenshot ya Kenyan. WhatsApp muya along is going around ko chapatoli. Patase di kan la buti faya samba lopitano to. Alinso demanding. Okay, ya jele WhatsApp nying nkana muntandala abota nyi WhatsApp group wala. Manding Empire for Manding Nyadi Manding Network. Manding Network la WhatsApp group. This is WhatsApp bi ñom neka diko diko partager. Setan WhatsApp ko ñenya ambulance le keje. Ngani patala ko ambulance manaje. Ali mbatude yo sign video mu yalong ikafako patay baba ja boutel baba ja badar l'hôpital video ñim fel andi jibe fa ñin dafa mulun tala ba mari ba l'hôpital andi jibe ba ñin dafa mulun tala ba ala jibe sa alta o WhatsApp group to ala jibe fa ñin dafa mulun tala ba ñin dafa mulun I don't even know who is this person ñim mari jibe ay bora le soto ndama bora fa I don't even grow bora so ñin video ani ambulance so wala ta ya attack ñobala ya dundi ila Manding Network iko kunum patay baba ja boutele ya sambal loptano ima ambulance yo wasa polta ya dundi iba janjan dikam bari ma way patala mun ngana tani patate man tala nga pataje nga pata neng ngana nga neng dasa dinka pato ndanga pata neng anda biadan te ndam kewleti de ndam dala la Facebook ko nga pata nenne ndala nga pata neng yaman pataye bulo mu da ayam pousse ayam push nyami mbaboy kanyam ngam bulota ngake duma nkumbal ngo jaye bankoma wotay molon wulta ngati wulta nga police ko man birim police nati pataji ni ka patako ha atede to nyata he lay his hand on me ning alata la man so teba anin alquran mbasirin jandan ning alni alquran police bu fany ko le fali ha tumando na ya ni ka if he's honest he's going to tell you the same thing yajen ngo police la ayang assault le so say I want the prestigious police do yen ni ka video ndimo mu yala abambulu then he's going to lay his hand on me. I got that video at pata fa nga I was video racing. That is what I took nga tandila yajo already konyi ko okay ye na diamo beta ya besafi ye crime tango ta ya dinna bare mu ya ndongo kam ka fuko pata ya butele fa dale tay ambulance le kambata nan ya samba janale iko ya tonto hafle iko ya nokle ndamo moy pata ya fa ha ngamu moy de ko pata ko atade ay munke what is fenko atonding ay munke abulo ye male but ayakele just like self defense ako ayake wole kamba wode ngo jele ne post dota ya kenyane ko patale ya fo patale fo ala tuita fo min do I saw that one pata mo ko bindane wow mom lo ham lal nama daf ma push because of self defense ñu ne loolu la wax waaw o post ñi ngo jele bari mbal dana to mi la alkan na moy birim kunu man nanu live because I was so busy you know bari ngafo na talibo dole le momo mu yala ye post ye UDP and threaten dawoda screenshot the post and send it to me UDP and nengo support wo no man ndiro fo fe mo fo mu yala you think is a threaten shut it out and forward it to me that exactly what I did ndamanta kelela yamon but mbulo fana manta mo mala nyimba kunka I was not malano ko pata was so dumb and stupid that he will do exactly what he did but he's an idiot and he's a tot ndom kawalet hende ni yen man la Facebook ngene de I wish me ben mba fole nyaada tole pam ya moy mba fole and that's exactly what I did so we atanda dele ko ndem man of my wordlet yagel and that is exactly what I did at the end of the police should nata ye report ota ndetata patata bari video dula kambando fenke this guy attending fenke Samba Balde or Demba Balde was video racing. Demba Balde ko nyin nene man soto jang. Ha Gambia jang today is our Gambian party. People come to party. This thing never happened. I love Demba Balde of CRP selling chapatole ko. Ye boo. Ye funny alefo. Demba Balde fight there with powers of Gambia Talent. The CEO of Gambia Talent. They fight. I am the one. Muye powers bulom the prega powers samba. Assolutamente dole siatu Gambia association la programme Demba Balde so called CEO fenke Usman Diouf of Gambia Talent because of politics because of Yaya Jammeh ko I was the one munya la ngapa os bulom da ngapa os tanga samba so what be ni wo Demba Balde nata wo wuli budu keso ka wuli ka fa ko ha tapa tole ha ni sifa ne ma soto jang ndol kana jere nga patige ala fo Demba Balde tapa tole ko atol long sate alfalti ya jël sate alfal ni ko wakering e kam le Facebook live atol sate alfalti ni ko wakering anana anja fago now somebody is asking me why you insult ndol nga patane adiatan tele because patayen na Facebook fa ko patane nen droji ma fa bu ko you the ngol ngal go na any negative comment that you going ngal yello ngalen non negative on bukota hani moya because ngali no you hate me ko mu yala amanga alni wuliya wulita te plato yakere alyaja de Allah WhatsApp group but you dipin godu mali blame Allah wuliya alya fulo jamaliya loya Ousainou Dabo modo baf la ngani ne manende loya Ousainou Dabo ko Ibrahima Diba bulo le kati Ibrahima Diba bulo ya kati le bang ima bulo kati Ibrahima Diba ko ya barma jan so Allah wuliya fo alma sunya loya Dabo la do ko loya Dabo ka fanyale ke tonya ke fanyat fo le masoda ba to ni ma tonya fa ikafako ca patro ka dindro man dindro ke lo ya Ousainou Dabo fo lo wuta ko Ibrahima Diba bulo la kati so atolla wuliya fo anala fake news anka mun dundi alma sunya ajabu di lo ya Ousainou Dabo le ba you di pingol aka ndiro mun tebi aka Adama Barrow nen lo ya Dabo was the first person brim Adama ya bay he came to New York ala jubi ala first meeting aka New York he was insulting President Adama Barrow so atolla bi ndiro saga bo xamne yen wa UDP yena nge saga sa ti len ko Lawyer Dabo mo fi ñëk taxaw di saga president Adama Barrow Lawyer Dabo mo fi ñëk taxaw kon nak yeen lolé na wax ni I am not scared of it I am not scared of nobody. I said this in the Gambia, and I repeat myself. I said this in the Gambia that Lawyer Darboe drink alcohol. If Lawyer Darboe, because it's your constitutional for you guys to know. So now, if I lie, it's very simple. Let Lawyer Darboe come and say, okay, what Baba just said is not true. Exactly. And I know it's because of what I said up to the UDP, they will not do press conference. The press conference because the journalists are waiting. And the Gambian deserve to know whether Lawyer Darboe, you have a baby mama outside or you don't have no baby mama. If you contest for an election, people have the right to know who their leaders are. It's our constitutional right for us to know whether our leaders are criminal, are they drug dealers, are they this and that. We have the right to know. So you know important the puru nenyaton calling you on Lawyer Darboe neng manta nenna lumawa so amut nanyo mulera nito journalists are giving you time. Yagel so say do wala dun kete bari janim bi dafana pata sedi kan last time ako atada police station ne ako atada pour kante report katun gonte ko yembun kidolal lata pour allier la moy jande ha pata sedi kan ko he went to the police station because he said that I said they have shot me and that is a lie. Now he went to the police station to go and report me to the police station. My people, I want you guys to listen to me here. Now, Patase on his post, he care about me. Because I'm a Gambian, he's a Gambian. That's why he went to the police station to go and report me there. But my people, if you care about me, what is the first time you should do? To call me. I know, hey, what is going on? Did you call me? No. Or to find out where I live. So that you can know whether what I did, whether what I say is true or not. That's what a good person should do. And a lot of you, that's what you did. You contacted me. You sent me messages. But guess what? I cannot respond to all of you, but most of you send me messages. And that's what I expect from you. But Patapija didn't do that. Patapija said he went to the police to go and report me so that they can lock me up because of I was lying. I will get the views that I'm looking for. My people, if I was lying today, the police come and knock my door, they arrest me, who is going to take care of my family? Let's use our common sense here. We are all here to hustle. We are all here to find a better life. What is wrong, no matter who committed it. Okay, if Pata went up to the police to go and tell the police, hey, this guy said this, to go and report me today, if they lock me up, I have my wife and my kids here. Who is going to take care of them if I was lying today? My people, I have family back home. Family that, they depend on, apart from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, me and my siblings, they depend on us today. So today, if Pata went and report this, and then if I was lying, if the police put me in prison, who is going to take care of my family back home? Let's think about this. All of you can be a victim of this. Today, I am a victim of jealousy. I am a victim of jealousy. I am a victim of wickedness. So I hope all of you guys will stay with me on this, and you will agree with me on this. Hey, we have to be very careful what we do overseas. 5 years ago, there was one Gambian girl who had an issue with another Gambian in Seattle here. He went and reported that Gambian girl to the office. She was working in a nursing home. She called those nursing home and tell them that this girl, she's working with somebody permanent resident. The girl don't have papers. She don't have papers. She's working with somebody's paper. Sorry, give me 1 minute. Let me just start blocking. Yep, there you go. Let me just start blocking, And he called the police. The girl, the nursing home where she's working. But guess what? There was almost more than 10 Gambians who are working there with fake documents. And all of those people, they lose their job. Because the employer brought all the pay stuff and tell you, okay, here is your pay stuff. Go and bring your green card. Go and bring your green card. If you bring your green card, then you can take your pay stuff. Yarafan, there is more than 10 Gambians who are working there with somebody's green card paper, buddy. And all those people, they lose their job. How many people are those 10 people? How many of those people? Do you know how many people they are helping back home in Africa? No. How many people are they feeding? Muna, ijawiyata nyawonya. Ijawiyata nyawonya ko dol bija anga hakilo. Ala to nyafunyi. Ijawiyata nyawonya. Bari ko dol bija alin kanake. Pataya tandin telako, he don't like me. Pataya tandin telako. I do not never see in my life somebody who is so wicked, who is so jealous, who will go up to an extent that he is ready to lie. I did not see. This is really wicked. This is what the fuck is going on in Seattle. People are, some people, not all of us, there are few people here who are just jealous. Because if they see you are progressing, they see that, okay, you have, God have helped you with even something that they did not have, they start jealous in you. Why Gambia in Seattle? Why? Huh? And then at the post, but I even put on that post that he care about me. Come on, if you care about, why are you insulting me all the time on your post? If you, if you care about me, tell me. If you care about, why are you, okay. Alin so demanding, mbe block kane, just give me 1 minute. Mbe killing. Okay. Mbe killing block, just Ali Bularek, let the insult come, nge block. So this is the only thing that we are Gambian. We need to look after each other. But what Pata did, this is jealousy. I have family to feed. Today, if they lock me up, Pata tata nyunkuma move police. Nienda sering chapatolo tabi ende sorombi. Pata ba mune sodo laje. Fo police ba awot la bang. Bar niente sorombi, niente na mumfono ni fanyalo. Police le na bunda konkon bi tade yende chapatolo sorom. Na dimbaya jumale be jubela. Adjan jube. Yade mbe na ta nyini ndirole la. Wada ninga moja mu yalo ay kuta mu yalo amanya na kaka ali mbe nga tanga kondem. Anga to nya fonyoy. Anga jew ya bula anga hasid ya bula. Jew ya ne hasid ya manke nyinte. Muna politiko nte nyinte. Politiko jata pata sedi kadi fo ate da fo police. Ko kada chapato le report. Katunko chapato ko ya bunne anu mandong malu ka fanial anu wang ha nyaga da police because nga kale mbele boda Gambia. Ni boda Gambia pata. Telefono ke chapato ko mangi. Chapato le kiskis fo ya yalong. Bari yo kene bang honey. So wala nang badingol anga jaw ya bula. Nte seren chapato alien jetene ala komba mu mun do mala wallahi fo ngadum. Hakia ango harje mu mun di fo ngadum. Bari alan kan nyoti nya. Alin kan nyoti nya mun nyoti nya na fata la siatu. Ya jele bi nin tol manke kilinte. Demba balde nyim mun taten. Nin demba balde mun alfa kendoti. Demba balde man nakata fango sakontu wa Facebook live kena. Anya taka wule kadi itollu nas da sati alfalti. Isa wuli baba jam ne kata. Anya bule baba jam itollu sati alfalti. Sati alfalti wuli. Ali diam. Ka demba balde mo kede. Demba balde telephone le sika. Demba balde telephone ko bla video ha baba jala ba kelola. Nyim ne man soto jam. Bar ala fo demba balde tapatoli ko. Dite scandalo mun kanyi sati ko inila muso. Ali scandalo mun kanyi sati ko mo be yolo fo risito be findita. Fana bango ika fay ko ala fay mbalande ila muso ntende ite yalo ni nali yaje nte chapa tole kalon ka siya dum gole hey al nga fata nyola muso la al nga bula ka nyola muso nyoko de al nga bula ka nyoke ma nyoko de loku talde muta ala fo demba balde regle ntende pandere tide pandere ye wese janne demba balde pandere wadi ma do wese pandere alla walli ma you are safe there pandere ye wese anu pandere mo faje ala poso they are all true because asodo dal pandere mu fole maso pandere mu fo exactly demba balde wala kete tele siatu jam you are a victim demba you are a victim wala ya comme victim oleti woto atollo sate ke balute yete tata ne ya hijack ibulu biri ye tata ya hijack ime ikuma malono ya mwene mol ya be kala buto janne anin ke mun tata ke mu ya samba ke ni risito ni bank kayto bele finti dam bengal bari mol ya jele mol ye dey woto nafike ya bula nin ku kada sate kun alwuli ale ko dada demba balde ndongol soto mu yala mbaw fi samba balde fa demba balde lombang ndanga nyine soto mu yala am dondo tell you demba balde man duma defante yow so neke mag bu baax dama wara jokk nga jagar wa demba balde baaxulo na fexanga man ca patchel ma you are a victim na so mu yala ka ke jang al na ka jang ka be siap ko al nga fa da nyola musola al nga fa da nyokela demba You are a victim. I said it in the Gambia. I said it. I'm in America. Look up Yolande. I'm in Seattle. You need me. I'm on Facebook. Contact me on Facebook. You are a victim. They hijack yours. When you not hijack that. Hey, Muna Lafa in balance side. Muna Lafa Bula. I love La because Seattle Jack. Mulekes Bang Koleka Jack. Niaga Ngam Fong Muta. Wanda Ngalon net. Niaga Ngam Fong Muta. Ngalon. What I got for Nola. Nimbota J. Ngana Seattle Gambia Association the president Malong Jumalong Bangalong Musolong. But what I was expecting as a president of Seattle Gambia Association, Ngamira Tumando, when she hear this, she should come and contact Babaja. I had this thing. This is what happened to you. Is it true? Because you are the president of the Gambia Seattle Association. You should contact me. Nobody who, you know, as long as today, you are the president, you are the one who is responsible about all of us, our safety, or else, whatever you can do, because you are the president representing me and other Gambians. If you had the information that somebody shot or somebody did it, what the first thing you should do, the association, all of you inside the association, you need to send your PRO, tell your PRO, this is the association. We want to know if Chapachole is fine. Chapachole muniketa. Anyway, the post bala nyin keju bela abanyam. But did the Seattle Gambia Association did it? No. Association of Katamaten. Association of Nimman Kambeng. The association of Sambanola. And I'm going to blame the president of Gambia Seattle Association. President Tafala Amamwe. Ni president Mamwe. PRO Yamweleba. Ni PRO Mama. Are you trying to tell me inside the executive? Momamwe. What is going on? But the moment na prota for keju bela banyami. Sate dun Katamatene. Ning adia kala muta ko nyinde Gambia de wala nyine katala president way wuli afa ala dia mula alta ala nyin kumandi alta ala nyin kiteng president way wuli e kuke ani nata wala nyam ba ning albeta da alial famul muta president mo kufo at the end of the alkasain Gambia Seattle Association mo kumandi ana fali amake ni mo fata rek we have to come together ni mo fata wotamale ka president ja wuli aya safe kali fata da hani ngani ko bi nali amun ta fata Seattle Gambia Association ba wulle na go fonke na ma koy hadara fatale he ina radio un mba fala Seattle Gambia ñu ko ke da hanebi nda ca pajal ndanga more than more 5 muni en commande ya kaju be fanyu ko nyaadi don mbare muso mate siba wolle kon akati nyaw ko le mate en ko demu na man telephone sika because I was busy I was at work man telephone sika but was samo I talked to Martin Kaku Mati. Sorry that you called me, but I was so busy at work. And that's what I expect from the Seattle Gambia Association or somebody from the executive of Seattle Gambia Association. Mati yang kolle. Mbari muso asna du jaban ton la kordaba nyobala Gambia. Ayang kolle pour kala fama ke wala nyama bang. Anya taka kitenne. Woto al ngadiam na association la nyaton kollier al ye opum. Na ye kume kule keta mola Gambiano al wuli atul association. Ya jeli janga how many Gambian no samba jang kitiyo. Because of what? Amana Julojo. Muson Kabutane Kata Dubai, China, Yabas of Kamara Yai, Yebang Yafa Ite Dola, Nigoku Aleta Court. But Seattle Gambia Association, that's a problem to my fix no. What you can do, Wolong, Alieta Puru, Ngalieta Puru, Ali Mola Mon Munialong, Iba, Problemocon, Ali the Mol Commandi, Kala Julo Bella, and Matata Cotle. We are all from Gambia. We are all good Muslim. We are all good Christian. So let's come together, let's solve them. Okay, this is what happened. No problem. You can fix stuff. This is what I was expecting for you guys to do. That's what you guys should do. Be done. Seattle Gambia, we dragging each other to court. And then for the association, you have some association members who are aware of it. You can just go and then, you bring people together. That's what we expect Seattle Gambia Association. Are you guys doing it? No. This is where you guys fail. And I am 1,000,000% so. The president had it or one of the executive members in Seattle Gambia Association. You had this is what is going on. Do you contact me? No. But I know if I die today, the president will be the first person. Muyala binaba nabunda konkonda kan namuso jube baba ja bantale hey baba ja mo kendolo and my sister yes Binta Horja yeah and exactly and Binta Horja you are right she also called me Binta Horja yeah she will be the first person to come I'm gonna go phone hey baba ja mo de ndey san hey laida I'm gonna go phone okay she had to as a press release wa ta pa yeah I ba content pour ko ta pa leke pardon ko ajalo ni neketa muna alanga nyokano alaka nin si ke e anin ki la kan mbele bota Gambia mbe ko sate kilma animba ko mo fola ay bon sondo mo kana kana bon dakon kana fanyo ko I like you I like you and why is you don't like me in here wala problem. So I hope na nyim video ba Seattle Gambia Association ma ko ilale for them to build strong Seattle Gambia Association. Look at this. I went to the park. Now in the last census we have almost more than 6,000 Gambians in Seattle already, more than 6,000. But in Parkwood, it's less than 1,000 Gambians. Where is the one Seattle? Less than 1,000 Gambians. Where is the Parkwood? You can even count Mamulu Tataji. I was even shocked. Wow. And before I came here, Nico Seattle Gambia association have this. Mobile kata. Parkwood ka file. Don't be they go 3 o'clock pre-seed like Kendoso. But in Baron Intendant come more the whole go. He never hold it. Do not become mobility. Need that. But before we book so munatina. No canoe is what we lack. So our leaders and you our leaders, you have a case here that you guys can fix. And Gambian Paul Company United. Nala Kumaya Ketamola and Willie. How take it? It's about the executive Korokudi. Young communicator. President Kumandi. In a diam. Piraro and a Piaro Kumandi. And you cook it right away. So anyanta keke wole nyama so wala na nimbe bi jam nkana singa fako kariba tenne nim ku kete alngana ga kelindi. So I hope nanim video man taka mo disrespect siatu jan ka to nyala fako anyanta ka la do ko kene bari alaktale pour ka la do ko ke bari pata se de kan munke munana alman finde alia condemn because alia no konte am Gambian like you people siatu jam association no nena man fenne ke jam ko do nyanta ka finti dam ndese ni chapatole manta. The president can be my witness. Kodo nyanta kabudan. There is nothing we are Seattle Gambia Association ya organized. Jang Seattle Gambia Association of the. Ask the president. Fennene manke jang Seattle Gambia Association. Hanis nightclub show a susuta party. Huh? There was a day I was in my uniform. Birin Jaliba I was in my uniform. I went up to Jaliba. I bought a ticket. Nina uniform. I went there. Put more ya logo chapatole at least. Aketanya wona ba kuloko kono. Another uniform wona. Purka molide. Purka ticket or something I do. I molide ngata. Katungo kodo nyimbu kata mola puso kono. Kodo nyi sama mumbande sotola malo. For sama de la family leba nit la ba. For sama dembala family leba nit la ba. For sama patela family leba nit la ba malo. Ya kulop ke the night club. Iko ha musigo moleben party Gambia Association come together. I went there. I bought a ticket. Because I am not because the money is not going into your pocket or my pocket. The money belongs to all of us. There is nothing that association or yake jam. We are kodo nyantaka finti. Ask the president or the PRO or whoever used to come to that party. I do my best. Sometimes I'm in a uniform. But you guys fail me, and then the system is failing. So you guys have long way to go and fix this kind of issue. Nala kuma kita sa tekon. And will you fix? Mota Kamfalebo, you are the president of Seattle Gambia Association. Yes, nobody's going to mad with you because you just trying to fix stuff. But I know Tumando, imo hakilo so the why, mom's amud help bobu legi, nyuntam you make a nenko me help bobu. Yagele be Seattle Gambia. Nintul man jarabi nyola. If we don't love each other, ata easy la purun dimole futu nyola de. Dinke kanam fula wala banta bulu jam. Kelon fula. Nite bama mal la finte o te fama mal la finte la. Samante dimu ka lafte dimola. Ya mara mbakela no bang. Hani. Anga nyokanu. Ni man nyokanu mafata nyola. Siatu. Anga fata kanyola muso nyoko de. Anga fata kanyola muso yole. Anga fata kanyola ke yole. Fole mantara jamba. Muna nga tonya funyoe. Nimba tonya fele kafo. Chapa kel daza chapa baringo. Fanka vole masuta bang. Aliso domanding ngani chaka aliso domanding. Yaje fo nyim fo nyina masuta bang. Nyina soto. So wala namba fele ko let's love each other Seattle. Bini ku kede de chapa chole de jani molo bolena New York. Kanana. Atole folo nyanda ka futat. Aketa yana panderi mba yen kolle. North Carolina. Panderi mba freedom newspaper yen call from for South Carolina for North Carolina bang. Seattle call di muleketa. Muna. Alna jere bi nyola. Mba nga futa nyola. Nin ku mugo pamjang mo fole ka jama la commande wala chapa choliti nim alla muso ko charbat mbar anti ma ko charbat ika jama ko chapa choli ma ko jam ma fongode ku jama la jam ya chapa choli den ka regle duma si atu jam ka regle duma alda ma yalla tangalo ala yalla ko mu yalla ka diamu duma ando nyanda ki ko wala nyama Pandirim Bay of another state. People from UK. Maya is here. My brother, UK. She contacted me in Barinke. Nyadi long. Na fay Maya barka baka at least she care about me. Na auntie Hadinjai. How ma mugi South Carolina? How ma North Carolina? Suma suma auntie Hadinjai. Ko nama. Capacoli. Sino ne kamandeli hadega. Kelola. Lolo mo wara am. Wa ñu ni rek ñu fi tay man suma dé tay wa siatu ñu ñëka ñëw bala wa ñu yokki ega bala anti hadi mu ngey joggé be North Carolina am South Carolina pour ñëw fekka de wa siatu de sul nga be pare auto ak nga jara bi ñola ñu neena fi nekk nañ ba yaxante nañ ba di katante jëkari jambur jabari jambur lol de mo fi nekkate mako waté amna mako wa man ci tapatulé yeen sa xam ne tapate lu mo wax lolu mo am kon nak man li la am pour wax ma yokasi I hope ne the association will watch this, they will learn that okay we made a mistake here, we need to fix this, so I hope they will go ahead and fix it. From there Pa Ousmane Diouf, so-called CEO of Gambia Talent, gis ngeen video gis ngeen Pa Ousmane Diouf dafa jallos rek man non la ko gisee wax leen ko capatoli mu ne bo si Gambia mako amé mako poñé ma poñe boss bi de té duma ko may suma bayi lu boss kan fi am boss la la mané boss Gambia ma ko poñe ni la ko poñe waaw ni la ko poñe gis nga poli ni leen de poñe jolay ben jolay dem suñ fi poñe jolay ñu xam ñu ñew poñe ma poñe boss bi kon wax leen Pa Ousmane Tapa Tole mu ne mo poñe boss bi te suma ko bayi boss bi du dem boss Gambia net bokk bi mané té so bëggé dar rek dugal ko wax Tapa Tole ñepp nañ ko sétan parce que Tapa nga wax kon boss bi won na leen man ma nek xale bu xé rek nek tax xam lepp mun lepp wax lepp te def lepp xana ma en fi ma amé boss bi nek la ilaha illallah yalla ma ko jox boss bi te dem leen YouTube rek ñu ngeen dugg rek Tapa ni ko dem Tapa parce que dañu bëgg boss lañ bëgg te yow suñu duggal ñu ne Pa Ous mu ne li kenn du ko xol wa defal Pa Ous Baba Dia mu ne Tapa mu ne nga duggal ko rek di nga am boss gis nga di nga am boss parce que lii la Pa Ous dama dem si bési julli fu ñoo julli ma àgga foofu tey nekk Tobaski at least bi mu Tobaski la at least you see me ñu ne taa Tapa Tole Tobaski bi dee naka la naka nga def naka sa njaboot bi tey Tobaski la niñ baalalante aha waaye Pa Ous if you don't believe me go and watch the video. Pa Ous was interviewing mu doon interview suma benn sister ñu ngi ko wax ne Sukuta and her sister. If you check the video you will see that I was greeting those people. Mele ma tuuti rek ma start the block. Oh. No, I think I blocked the wrong person. Oh. Sorry. Let me see. Okay, I blocked a wrong person and I want to tell her that I made a mistake. I blocked I want to tell her I'm back on block because Manu Kamole taka block no, so I mistake the block you, but I will unblock you after the show. Are you ready? Munyo telephone wow Tapa Tole nanga def ñu ne wa yow nga ne wow yow nga den restaurant wow what? Come on man, what type of human being are you? Humanity is more important. Bala yalla di jagar diine. Before a religion, God created humanity. Humanity is more important. At least you can call me, hey, Juma Eid Mubarak, how are you? How is your family? How do you see the Eid, blah, blah. But you don't do that. You don't go straight to the point. Wow, we had you are lying. Just look at it. And he said, I am lying. Pa Ousmane video they play already. He did not play all the videos. Manakone, I'm very sorry. Yes, you are right. Why? I am not interested. I don't want to talk about it. Very nice way. And I was going, he even started to follow me. How unprofessional is this? You open your fake Gambia Talent thing. What you are saying is, you are going to promote Gambia. But I know, Pa Usman, you are under payroll of Rohey Malick Lowe. Billahi, wallahi, tallahi, Pa Os is paid by Rohey Malick Lowe. Pa Usman Lowe is under the payroll of Rohey Malick Lowe. That's why you see, Pa Usman, anything about NPP Asadundi. Anything about NPP Asadundi. He is fully paid by Rohey Malick Lowe. The NGO, he is running an NGO here. And there are a lot of Seattle. There are a lot of Seattle that when the Pa Usman is collecting money from the city, from the taxpayers like me. Our taxpayers' money is what Pa Usman went and collect on behalf of helping Gambians in Seattle. But there are a lot of scrutinizing stuff that are not going right. And there are a lot of Gambians. If I went to the city, and which I am ready to lodge and complain to the city on behalf of few Gambians that they went there, Pa Usman Juf, this and this is what he did. And I will do it. I am not jealous there. I just want people to know I am not trying to destroy him because he is taking that money from the city, calling himself that he is helping Gambians. But the paperwork, something is wrong. That when they go over it, the city will see that he is not fit. The city will see that he is not fit to run that charity. Pa Usman, just go and watch. Alin so demanding nganyim blog janim pita. Block. Yeah. Yagel. Are you ready? If you go and talk bullshit about me, Pa Usman will go and write it and put it out there so that the world can see. Hey, me, I am a man. If I did something, I will tell you, yes, I am the one who did it. And I, as a concerned United States citizen, I will lodge and complain on behalf of those people, and the city and the state have the right to start an investigation with the immediate effect, because the money that you are collecting, the way that you are reporting, we want to know. Just because of politics, you are going go and watch me and Pata our incident. How Pa Usman the way he wrote it, you will know there's a bias here. You know there's a bias here, and I don't know what I did. Yeah, I don't know what I did. So I don't know exactly what I did. But as long as now, and I want to warn him, leave me alone. I don't want you to approach me. I don't have nothing to do with you. You are my brother. When I see you anywhere, I will greet you. And I don't need no joke between you and you. I don't need no joke between me and, because I know you are hypocrite. Danga bon. Sa jabar fila kate Sunday. Gel gasi butel katako Sunday fi siyabe fi yopa Usman Juf. You know that. Gasi butel den dem you kata fi Sunday. Yang don't hante one Aisatu. You know that. You are fucking with that Aisatu. You know I know. So you come na saga tay. Mele matuti rak. Mele matuti. You know? It happened here. Kon yo come na saga fi. You are here, you are fucking around with different bitches. Sajabartila, katafi Sunday, nyop disco. Mandamala fale yo pa us. Fale umala. I know you are just jealous. You are just jealous of me. That's why you keep on writing bullshit about me. You can go and write whatever you want. Who give a fuck? Do you think I give a fuck about you? No, I do not. I am more blessed than you. Me, I'm more blessed than you. Mandumade make halis to put to go and destroy others. That is what I have for you. Nimbo again. When I gonna lawyer double mistress. Mistress is lawyer double. Kudeka siya to fee. Mangan you. Mangan jiri. Wamage wahne. Mancha patole de musmala saga. Musmala wah lubon. Dama buga pur wahlane. Nang mabay. You are talking with everybody. You talk until you talk and say that there will come a day me I will work negative. You are ready to sleep outside, but you will see me walking naked on the street because what I said about Lawyer Dabo. I did not put your kid's picture outside, and I condemn the issue. Your son's picture, I swear to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, I am not the person. I have kids. I will never go and put your kids' pictures outside. I am a proud father. I am a father. I will never do that. But I want you to know, do you know how people know about you? Your own cousin. So your cousin is one who went to Facebook and said that actually leave my cousin Kari alone and his daughter on Facebook. She tag you. Yes, she tag you. And you know, when she tag you, when people click it, what? They will go to you. That's why people know who I am talking about. And a cousin, you're a cousin. Sa cousin more them, mutak. Mutak actually, by some cousin. Sa cousin is in America here. I think how Denver, how North Carolina, or I have no idea where in America. Your cousin is the one who exposed you. She wrote that on Facebook. Now, if your cousin went and wrote that and said, leave my cousin, and then he posted it on Facebook, what do the people will do? People will go and click the tag. When you click the tag, it will take you straight. She paid them. Fofu la nit yi xamé né ki la. Kon jappatuli du man. Man jayu mala. I don't know you. Defante wuma ak yow. Kon bayma. Mol yalla ñaay la to pour mol yalla ñaadi le. Ko ñim muso mu yalla ka fa ten. Ñim muso mu yalla ka fa ten. Lo ya da wala ñim mistress mol yalla ñaadi le. A fa la cousin wol ta Facebook. Aya safeje ko tapatoli fatana cousin na ni be la politiko la. Ay cousin na toni everything be kaje. So nim aya kaje yalla ya takle. So ni a click. Akatale fat muso ni na fenkot. Muso ni na Facebook. Mol yalla tenne. Nte make. Nte ta muso ni tinyala. Nte muso ni tinyatu kala mbari muso e fatama. Bara bi dana ni wato ko ngi pri Facebook bes bu nek. Ko li motax man I am not stupid. I am not dumb. I have the right to stand here and call your name. I have that right. You know why? It's because of it happened. As long as it happened, what I said, I am fine. You cannot sue me. I heard you are saying you are going to sue me. You have the right to go and do that. Well, I'm going to tell you one thing. Before you go and sue me, think twice. Before you go and sue me. And I don't even know who is that stupid lawyer who will take your case. So I am not the one who put you there. Your cousin is the one who put your information there. Sa cousin mo ko def mo tan di xamne kan la man de musuma tok be wax sa tour way man la wax ne man I don't care about you de jekari jambul nga don kata loya dabo mako wax mistress loya dabo la mistress ala fa ko sedin capa kala ko wondi ke e ka wala ñoko de mun ka de loya usenu daboti jekari jambul nga don kata hana xam lolu hana xam lolu loya dabo jekari jambur la kon yo soy kata jekari jambul nga ti ko siade fi du ko fi kata nga de ken di wax mako wax te waxati ko Alin so demanding nga bulo ko la fa alin so demanding boom al ngata jekere jambul nga don katafi wandi ke mu ngi da loya dabu fa bu ko ñoko de ba e wandi ke mra yo ñoko de ko mo taf la katun ko fa ma nga wandi ke la ñin siatu mu solu al nga fata ka wandi ke ñoko de siatu mu solu al nga fata ka wandi ke ñoko de al nga fata wandi ke la loya dabu la ñin mistress ay problème so ani loya dabu la mu so Gambia fante ma kala mo ta jamba fonte ma kala mutabang ala ngi ngam bari nga don ko na haji tije wutam na haji tije alla public life lo na haji tije wondi ke yola mutay ba ñoko de kan jam ita ko mota fa dama la jet loya dabo lo ta ban ko le ñini andu fa gambian ko lu ba aduna la juma lo loya dabo te is our constitutional right pour ka la jama loya dabo fa dama wondi ke mutay ko ñoko de jam fa man loya dabo ñoko de jam bay ma ñoko de ndal ke loya dabo na ko na siyata jama la ka fintindi nte nga kamane yalla ya ñoko de ipare da ayeku nga samba do nga fo ma su ja woto kana fa ibay yabur wax dan ma yab man ragalu mala sa wax wa may lu wax wa yob ma fen te no wala dama def wa ñu set ya ko wax yalla mu ngi gis nay seelu yalla di def wa na wax nit yi ne ñepp xam li xew mo dol bi da aga wondi kel bu hula aka mo kanaf fo le da ma wondi kel fo wondi kel tamba mbadi mon lafta pour kala munat na loya dabo man press conference ke fo bi kadu journaliste be ba rori ne il lafta pour kala loya dabo nga fo loya dabo e dimo soto dimo di fele siatu jam ani ñi musol ya so ani ñi musol dimo ñi soto loya dabo lo dindimo ñi ta I want to sacrifice natata moro mu ya Gujarat moro ani loya dabo ñi ka ba wota journaliste le pare pour ka ñi ka wota ala fa ñi muso ndoko munala diamo le siade fo diamo la nde japa to linte menen bar wandi muso ni wandike yo kamara ja yama e kon kana muna nan tafal fama so an nga fata ñola bayli wax bi nga def wax bi yo wax bi mu nga sonal siatu musolu an nga fata ka ñola ke buhu al nga fata ka ñola ke ñoko de al nga bula kan kana ñoke la ñoko de al nga bula lo ya bala ñu mistress fo wandike amanta ko la ñoko de fama ka lo ya da ñoko de fama so ka wotale fata made mamu made ndama mo made wota ala fa demba balde ca pato ko ya fata mat ni wonta demba balde ni ñema ngori ci tol be fintina ko den victime mo ko di wota régler ala fata mo ndama ñu ne su mu yalon mbar fala so ning adiyata liye ata yudi pingo mu na to law wulote alkata se fe ko pata ya butele pata ko ten pata aywa atolle ko pata ko ten bar pata ma fot atolle ba la wuli ya fot atole bala wuli aful bata ko ngai ba bari patao wahana sin aya juota aya noki abasirin dulakele nda cha bata ndanga af hayna juona ga basirin dulakele pata yalla na munki so wala nan dama silat alla ju wuli ya fo mu yalla alka dundi alma sunya albodal alias copy loya dabole mod mu ya alota wuli ya fo nyim ko liye ibrahima di batale ya bulo kati ndolo munji fo ñu ko la ko klet bar ibrahima ko ya bar ma jan tol man jeji video mu be findita ntol ma ja bar ma jan dal so jama la wuliya so wala la tol la wuliya o man de sa bahani jan ja nda biya da sama fana leta al sita jela ale ju ken sineta lo bundi al yo dundi internet to sa fana alta da fana sa fana altata aliye nkale nyinta aliya dundi WhatsApp groupe mu yala wolon nyindundi wolon fenkoti mandim network mbatu ali mbatu afele nka bata jani mandim network ala jube mandim network wolon nyindundi ajube nyindolo fenkoti nyindolo ambulance oti yoko ambulance on desamba le pitanot wota atola wuliya fo alma sunyade loya da bala do ko mo munete aka fanyage tonya da wuliyage tonyati loya da mo loyati loya ka tonyage fanyati ay fanyage tonyati ay tonya fasa lundo ay fanya fasa ajube nyinna tano jube fantana nyamulun dalba ye nyina kila WhatsApp groupe bala alni jube ba manding empire la WhatsApp groupe nyimbo da wala natali bolo nyenke nyina alni jube ba fantana nyamulun dalba nyijube fandana nyimulun dalba siatum kol ani ato gambe non ani njube yinyina fanage jukense ni talata ya dundi ko ha e tapatele jukense yo fananta ya dundi muna mo hasidi yalo nyinti muna mo jaw yalo nyinti al nga fata nyola ntolga politico kele nice no problem ntolga politico kele nice no problem ndoka politiko ke nes alta jela ndolla politiko kono mba wondi molu nenne mba mola siolu nenne mba mol discriminate la alta jela bar alla loya usen dabo munke ndema wala fa ndema loya dabo nen nini momo diam de beka wala fanya chapato le interview mu yalo yake to na keso ngajala de bari man ndiro ke ja bari man ndiro ke mamone man loya dabo de ndema mum fo wala soto ni loya dabo yalo ga man soto nko mbalo loya dabo sa 1 million loya dabo alquran mu 1 million wala fa gambia so nyin ka tan dal ko ta pa chole mu wala mu tonya yudi pin ko ni njawol na dera ko ku de aliya safi wo mo alla hajolti na dera ko ku de internet do aliya safi bari ku kini mbala fala jet ya jele bi boss mako ane bi ngana tija do fangoje natija atata ay fengo da audio da ngamere ka fa Mr. Cisse bidu no teacher ni momo yalon abadiala nye bake ning alsa jamma fa record aliya kiyai lafta pour aliya nyin jamma fa ta aliya kiyai okay no problem alkana wori be block la alkana wori ni porete jana mbidala ngasi ngalende laji ngebe block it all long. I'm very good in blocking people yajade one of natija e ka fa Mr. Cisse ba GDC ngamira tolong GDC da fo chairman fo jimaraba kuma kini mbole fulai ngajel audio bondi ko ha chapa tole you don't have to show your that imalla alala bala ako akan tell advice on the video. That's what he said. WhatsApp group or adundi GDC la WhatsApp group or. But there's one thing that I want people to understand, okay? My dad teacher, yes, he taught me. And my dad teacher, ngankali alala anin al-Qur'ano, nta muslimuti, alanin al-Qur'ano. My teacher called me, she asked me for a mobile phone. She sent me a voicemail. Chapachole, I want you to help me, you send me a mobile phone. Why can't you do it as a teacher? You have something to advise me. If you are a good teacher, if you know my Facebook, you contact me and ask me for me to help you with the mobile phone. I still have it on my phone. I still have that inside my the voicemail that you sent me, Mr. Sise. And you are saying that you are claiming that you are my teacher. It's me. I don't need your advice. I do not want you to go and advise me. If you're going to advise me, call me private. You advise me. Hey, my student, this is what I see. This is what I want. This is what I want you to do. But do you do it? No. You don't do it, but you go and make an audio. Oh, Chapachole, I know him. He's my student. Ask him, Mr. Sise, Kunta Kinte. But Chapachole, I'm going to advise. You make an audio. Audio for what? I went to Gambia. Mama Kandela Dreyfo, he is my witness. I was in Gambia in January. My this teacher called me. He want me to give him a rise of back. And he want me to give the money to Mama Candace Driver. Billah, Al-Quran. I swear to the Holy Quran, I will never lie about Sisi. Mama Kandela Driver is my witness. I want to see Mama Kande. Yes, I want to see Mama Kande. Because I want to go and see Mama Kande. Me and Mama Kande, we can sit and talk. Okay. Let me just block you right away. You know, that is the reason, that is the reason. Because I heard Mama Kande say nobody from MPP came to see him so that he can come together with President Barrow. That was the reason I went to see Mama Kande. And I called Mama Kande. Mama Kande Driver was the one who took his phone and gave it to Mama Kande. Mama Kande was so busy, and I don't blame him. He told me, if I come back, I will do my best and see you. I tell him, okay. Yeah, I will unblock our. I know I made a mistake. I block our. I will unblock our. Yeah, since my sister, I made a mistake. I was blocking somebody, so I block our. But I will unblock him. Our. Nebulo said, yes, you guys are right. I block our. Yes, you know, and he's my teacher. And then I talked to Mama Candace Driver, told him that this is Chapachole. He took my number and called me. Okay, now Mama Candace Driver is coming. When he come, please give him rest of back. One back over. Okay, I tell him, okay, no problem. The day I'm going to meet with Mama, if Mama is back, I will make sure and give him money, and I will also call you and tell you this is the amount I give. But you don't say that. Today you went out. Just because of you hate your student. Just today because God has blessed your student. Instead of you come and join with me and enjoy my blessing. Now you are fighting me. You go and making video on GDC WhatsApp. Today my enemies are using that. They are saying, oh, look at this. Wow. Chapa. Teacher bala bala bala. Na fiko you beba. Ibe fa tinyala. Teacher mu yala ibe fa tinyala. Teacher kamune duwa. Na karen duwa baraka. The same as Pamodu Boja. Pamodu Boja muna tikati. Nyemte ma fenke. Pamodu Boja sa kumandi no duma. I talk to Pamodu Boja duma. I communicate with Pamodu Boja stuff. They want to deport Pamodu Boja back to Gambia. If Panderi wrote everything, I share that. But at the end of the day, that Tai Sabala Ju Farari over Sirin Jana Kakabulan the Sirin Chapatule Fabanden. Boss Alan Boss Dinna. Darajo Mumbul Al Naja Ale BB as a Darajo Bushimul the Fenology. Munani Ale most of the Alcan Jalosle. Patapije Munke. Mobiling at the condemn. Are you ready? Saya Patapije to the police. Put report. Ako attaque pour quand report katungo he care about me a laftale pour police investigation ke nyim ko la katungo Chapachole ko ya bunki dolla so science so wala nte ba care about Chapachole wala na ntada police pour quand report sa ni daba no fan yalla ni police yende sorondum na dimbal dimal be look after la adin gambien ko anga janju be ni daba no fan yalla no ko mun ketanti la man kentela patata ta jami police bi nim police yende sorondum na dimbaye munu ba Gambia wala balwo dum wato wala is very important pour nga hakilotu nyoto nimba tubabu du jam ha nim moye du so kam fandi nyaawo nya wato na ibasire ye hakilotu ko mala Pata munke ala post ako he care about me. So wala na aja ko because ntol bela bata Gambia. Wala na atada police. But then bita police. Why not you call me? Why not ya try yalo mbadami? But ima ko beke. Nyimbe pour munen jawiya drong. Pour jealousy rek. Because you are jealous of certain chapa actually. Wala na iwulita. Itata pour kata chapa pour kata police station not. Pour kata chapa actually report. Chapa actually ko haya bunne. Muna mun jawiya lo nyinti. Ala na hasidi abula. Tumando pata malon bare defal dimba le bambulu suwa kono munu nina dimba mamulu njang dimba le bambulu America jang dimba bambulu ja America je dimba bambulu wala nyama Gambia modol ba Gambia bi ala talla man sokola niaga dunta wal da kono ala talla man sokola ntelam so bi nim pata tata atente report bi police yente mo de soro pata ba mun soto laji al jan jubet mun alma to nya fo ñoy ya jele ni mo kita victime da alfa ya loko nyindo ma nyanna kake angana nga condemn. So I hope can be not being the kanyindal pour al ya condemn kat mun kata is unacceptable. It offends to no la jey. It offends to no la jey. Woto al nga bulaka nyo jawiya nga bulaka nyo hasidiya nte bi mfelesiatu jam bi ninde fata bi jani mo do bolena North Carolina ñu do bolena London ñu do bolena Spain ñu do bolena Italy jani wol bi wa futal siatu ko folol be le nyanta ka futal. Woto anga bula kanyo tinya ndamma wolle bidang samum bina kele mola mo malon nte selin ci patle madua pour ka mo tinya de pa Ousmane Diouf nda tinya la de wallahi nere da sila nga tinya bari addan kadim budu kese farade ala fa entela nga fa kata ayello ne wonta masila law masila ajube am mo le fon interview kam biran te rek a wala interview bula jakanante ya menyim manke na fi koti na make buna fayoti bari kom bidana bidang ako akantele kele ala fa ento ko ay dala dum aye pare nte serin tapatole nta bunna nta nta dipala nsinta mana bana buso salip ala fa tapatole ko suma loxo du la lal suma tanka du la lal suma yard na la ñef da nga xam pa Ousmane Diouf man tapatole mako la ci la way UDP ntaka du la skin ko ntaka UDP foro ntaka UDP foro an ni foro ja la ilaha illallah hey nga Gambia la jija ala ko UDP tapatolo ko boss ba telebul so gambe nol mbada nal la janne I hope ko nañu video asa modol makka mun bu ko pata adina jaw ya bula pata iman jalos tale ala yi because of ala opportunity mu yela ci tapatole nga opportunity mun soto nga chance mun soto nga access mun soto alma wala soto algan hasid ya wala alma hasid ya ka wala nga bi nga opportunity mun soto alma opportunity soto de opportunity bi nga musul tuwa bu da anin Gambia insa dundo da ngafindi ala ma di yalla anu krafolo mu yaro ala la ka di mola ala ya gibe ba yusla nyaadile woto al nga fata nyola nata nyindi role la al nga nyindi role nga fata nyola al nga nyindi nga fata nyola so I hope so nangen video sa mol ma koy hani de ko kinim fanam bige lafta ka munta pour ka fo mba fola fenke loya dabla mistress ye ay diamo bula because so ako abe la bante la baraba me so ntenya e ma so ni nyama ta jang ani video ma ba nyima ni nyama ta jang asala loya dabla musolo atala astaghfirullah ala musonde astaghfirullah ya anna alma alayya funi astaghfirullah subhanallah astaghfirullah 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 ansalo go loya da bane muso mu ye dimo soto la wolo kumof ansalo loya da bane muso mu ye dimo soto wala ba siya dia wolo fo so sa ku woku mun tata na sama ansalo njamare aya fole aya fo munuli yem fa wala tata fon se da kuma kankan lota kuma kan bi sa wana mbala adresse la ansalo wo nyama loya da bo ala manyo mu loya da bale manyoti ha ya jammele protocole ka fa mu ye ko Mr Gambia la ambassadeur mo masiri Senegal wala muso mu loya da bo wala busi loya da wala manyo wandi musolo ali ban mo fanam fali ngal mo karam loya da wala manyo wandi musolo mu wake mat wala Gambia la ambassadeur mu Senegal ika fa nto malam Ibou Diouf no fen Ndour Mr Ndour mu Gambia ambassadeur du Senegal bire yaya jamme ye jawra coup d'état wani wala ko kita kilindi wo fanan tata nyola ni jawara janna kananam ate loya da ba awma terbat am so ni futu bi loya da ba muso ni futu kenyi nin loya da ba sirin kenyi ya call kabona a UK ke ya call ya loya da ba sirin aka fanya nyimbu kamalu nyimma responsibility le soto nyin na tuta rek aka muso abuse ngo hakilo ko way mama dende wo mu am kay ko fure fela ka fa mo nyoy tala loya da ko nit do tuto kala muso abuse le mu na ite du do no fela sirin loya da ba bala ni loya da ba sirin do no ba bala loya da ka foko he nyin na responsibility aka nyi muso ndimo buutele anda manyen na polika wala ke dade nyin na do da ba responsibility ko way mama dende wo mu na fure fela ka fa mo nyoy tala loya daba di naan sangara mu ngi amé sangara ci boram loya daba di tok mu ngi wax ni waaw ki daf ne dooru jabaram ko responsible te ko dafa naan sangara wax ki loko so Mr ndo ajibe ñi Mr Ndour wala loya daba la musikeba ay ñi Mr Ndour di sembulat loya daba la musikeba woni loya daba munna muso busi di sembulat muna akoy tele pour nga banko di wala ba kambiam ko akoy tele ba amon koy de wota al nga pare nga joko na banko kana dun ñunu bul nin tolle banko dun ta loya daba bulu nin tolle banko ta da fa dun ta loya daba bulu nin tolle banko ta da fa dun ta loya daba bulu aballa muso busi la bulle momu yala amansi folo anyaja wondi muso busi amansi folo wota ni wota da fa sita na la muso busi atolle yak andum fana nim asna fana sita nim ay ba and restaurant o yele state house abadolo min atolle yak hey lo yada ko totali lo yada bi nim alias amba state house fanun tala president Fure ndo president Fure mbo poko do tambulu lo yada bi ngol bi na masa kunda ronna ndeseni tapatele bam fala waleto ibadul fana fala waleto so APRC ade decision o munke wala alla fi ajala fi to le keten alla kayro mo munti alla alani baraye den billahi APRC nani santa fangenu le sita ada kala jare feji so dal fama bankoka ni APRC santa fali tawta for UDP winter ada kala feji so de bankoka ndela nga fali ale muto what is the right thing, the advice wallahi advice. These people, now it's Gambia against UDP. UDP me NPP mantara nyola de. UDP ni Gambia le banyola. Now it's Gambia against UDP. Wata anga parede. Nimman pare ngake kilinti. Billah wala ni UDP sita jang. Ntele nga faliye. Alinso. Nyum video la ngani video tanga appelé ali. Alaji he.
Senegal la ni haji tum ne señolo toromondonda we deport you back to Senegal ite mon la banko malala you stupid fool hear me may wahayo hala jonga ma may wahayo actually ite mon na la ji imam go brikam imam ke Gambia dimo ci même to ñati wala fota ite Senegal la ni haji tum ne señolo toromondonda we deport you back to Senegal ite mon
yo abanda ko ali amen bini UDP ko pam jumal le ka wuli ñunu lam so kon defa mu Senegal in quality de senen ci pa téléphone kon defa ndaba de Senegal so sa ni ñunu ci def mu nekk la Senegal in quality Gambia versus UDP wal ba kedinde APRC ala ñaayale Senegal in ko mu do Gambia mu ni yalo ko Alabama ni Alpha man nata ala ñaayale fulolu mbasiyol be ku mandira ngaya jele Fatoumata Fenke Jawara iko manke Gambia no wo bama iko fo fama bota mala fo Senegal sate jamale ajibe de honorable Fatoumata Jawara fawde man dinka dimo iko hani iko ha wo ama wulu jang wona fama bota mala Casamance sate jama ina ta sisere kunda muna ndena tubabu dule khosulina tubabol yang kundi fo binke da sidi sinoti oto bi muna nyenti UDP alda mongol ba molu nona alda mongol ba molu nenna alba mo la siolu ne mo dem dom foreignality just because of mo buka a support mo man so dom foreignality so wala bi le pour que nyim pili alfa ngol nyaay nyinje al yalon UDP muneba ke ni UDP si nguma fa kala ko UDP ibas ni sida civilian donc la so le bole so lo banko ka civilian donc la so anu be fakelala iba fakelala aba sila ba fa la hani sakon ma dol fonyu ko ba hamira to le follow kam ba dol fonyu ko iba hamira to le follow kam because bi ajubede ya jamela buso e batol dolal nenka wala bi ba nenka wala ya jamela buso e kram dat ya jamela committee bi e batol doya ka wala bi kram yela alma committee ya jamela man naka dolal represent ya jamela munke ya jamela mata hani moy ya jamela fama bu ay fulo butongolo ay mandi go butongolo ay dola butongolo hala fama badu fa ya jamela wol be kay amene butongolo da ba fama badu o ti ya jamela sa dolal represent na nyadile alma to nya fanya ale dia way alma to nya fanya ale dia par mo nyaka to nya ba ante sonda pour gafo may fati samba interview lo may fati ko adam bare ya bayle because of phone ko may fati wulu kilimo may fati le mulba may fati ba ka ba fala lumina ka retire ako aba fala phone ko hako tuwaye because of incident mu yalon wala kata may fati ko phone ko lu jola ning fen ko lon a jola traditional weapon wala be bulu traditional weapon wala be bulu ani fa be am o traditional weapon ale as a minister it will give a fanya for the Gambian call you giving a fake information to the Gambia public bi wo may fati yo le samba interview la may fati si de fat ayebori biriya nga samela kuwa samelek kan nal yo ma anta so may fati kan ni ba sindila samela kuwa kado e ba samelek ma da ba wunda bita wana Gambian call al nga nyaayele alga nyaale mbadi gambe ko alga kafle fay Wesley APRC anyo diamundi ngam kali ala nama no diamundi APRC ndele nga faali alba kala lum tamati yo bankunka alba kala lum tamati hani defa bi afele bi ba ko kan tema wulu jam mbo Senegal e ko tema wulu de Senegal ngo sa atulo bale ko di ibiba wala faka ni ñulul sita bi yana do ta sino Gambia ba sa ko ma don fo ñun ñun ba xamere al kambala ala nyaali yele al ya lon ko Gambia la Cairo mo munti wala Adama Barrow la fa kayrul la ala fa peace la ko ta alnana ngadeng UDP kana misinformation ya jalen defana ni wato be ko do UDP la misinformation on kamale UDP la misinformation on kamale bari e kantele chawundi e bandel pripirindi kam e kantele chawundi prina fi nga kuma fo manya na kam so wala nante ni bela parparo kan nyale kasinke budale mune ma dirin kuno e ba diamuna nte ni ta screenshot o mun lebe information o mun be fuka UDP bande traiting kam muna nga bela screenshot e ban nen kam mune efte nga bela screenshot sa nga be mabo sa at the end of the day nim pare da mbasa mbala dan nte bo kelale nte ne pata nyante kam munke nobody should advise me nte mon façon kibality I will do exactly what is right mu ya lonko wala ban defend safely nte la safety is my concern and my family that's it. So wala mbafula aliya nyalta aliya yele ansa longo nyunumu fitina molletu andu molo momu nya longo fitino kay ika wala endos bar ilo endos meno ibande threaten kan wala nan kala ko momo UDP ko yende threaten ala screenshot aliya screen record aliya forwarding yana those is that is all what I need ala sending through Facebook Messenger send it to me through Facebook Messenger mbabe tentula mbal jayla am Dr. Baba Jah aka Serin Chapachole I am the voice of the voiceless. God bless you. One Gambia, one nation.